did Google, the father of metallic camera bums, come out with the only fully flat-back smartphones? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Meet the Google Pixel 10a, the $499 budget phone that ditched the dreaded camera bump. In a world where everyone, from Apple to Samsung, keeps stacking bigger lenses onto their camera plates, Google just delivered something different. A perfectly flat back. Yes, really, no lip, no ridge, no wobble. The 6.3-inch Pixel 10a keeps things simple, with two rear cameras, a 48-megapixel main and 13-megapixel ultrawide, and it skipped the telephoto entirely. But here's the twist. The previous model didn't have a telephoto either, and it still had a raised camera edge. This time, engineers reportedly worked some serious magic to make the glass and metal slab dream a reality. But of course, there are some trade-offs. The Pixel 10a now carries an older Tensor G4 chip, cuts RAM to 8GB, and sticks with 128 or 256 GB storage. There's no Pixel Snap magnetic charging and no free 3-month Gemini Pro perk. Some AI stuff like Magic Q are missing too, but all the things you need are still locked in. You still get a sharp 1080 by 2424 display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, a sturdy composite build with Gorilla Glass 7i, IP68 water resistance, and a hefty 5100 mAh battery, giving 30 hours of life. Plus, it's coming with 7 years of OS and security updates. Cameras may be less, but they deliver. 40-megapixel main shooter impresses, selfies pop with detail, and Gemini editing tools like Magic Eraser and live conversational changes work seamlessly. This isn't the year's best phone, but there's no other phone so combining price, performance, features, and AI with a perfectly flat back. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.